In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Clickup account or Workspace. Clickup is a fantastic productivity tool that helps teams and individuals manage their projects, tasks, and workflows all in one place. But sometimes you might decide to step away from the platform, whether it's because you no longer need it, are switching to another tool, or just want to start fresh. Whatever the reason, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of deleting your Clickup account and, if necessary, your Workspace. Let's get started. First, log into your Clickup account and navigate to your Workspace. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your account icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. From that list, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Account. Once you locate it, click on it. At this point, Clickup will prompt you to confirm your decision by entering your account password. This step is crucial for ensuring that only authorized users can delete the account. Carefully type in your password, and once it's confirmed, your account will be deleted. If you're looking to delete a workspace instead of the entire account, the process is slightly different. Start by navigating to the Workspace Settings section. You can find this within the same settings menu we accessed earlier. Click into Workspace Settings, and then scroll down until you see the option that says Delete Workspace. Once you click on it, Clickup will ask you to confirm the deletion. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process, and your workspace will be permanently removed. If you're new to Clickup and still exploring its features, you can find a registration link in the description to create your own account. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Clickup account or Workspace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.